So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher error code 3C, pump circulation check and reset guide. So fix 1 is perform a power reset. Turn off the dishwasher during the power switch or circuit breaker, leave it for the 30 to 60 seconds, turn it back on to clear temporary glitches. Second fix is clear the filter and sump. Remove the bottom rack for the appliance, clean the filter assembly roughly, inspect the sump bottom basin for broken glass, food scrap or debris. Ensure nothing is obstructing the pump impeller. Third fix is inspect the drain hose. Check that the hose behind the dishwasher is not kinking. Ensure the hose is not crushed or clogged. Verify proper connection of the hose under the sink. Fourth step is check for pump motor and wiring. Persistent error may indicate a faulty circulation pump. Wiring issue could also be a potential cause of the error. Inspection of the pump and wiring is recommended. Replacement of faulty component may be necessary. So thanks for watching.